Good morning, West End visitors.
Good morning.
I would like to thank Meghabiji to give me the opportunity to present the Legislature today. So, we all know we are celebrating Sports Day, and India officially considers hockey as their official sport, right? But unofficially, we all know that one game that India loves to play, loves enjoying. Any guesses? Correct, cricket. So, a person like me who didn't have any interest in sports, मेरे जैसा कोई होगा तो वो जाके पूछेगा विराट कोहली को कि भाई करते क्या हो? इससे बैट बॉल खेलता हूँ। अरे करते क्या हो? What do you do for a living? बल्ला घुमाता हूँ, गेंद फेंकता हूँ। So somebody like me who just thought कि sports तो सिर्फ खेलना होता है. Until I started playing a sport, I understood कि sports person is no less than an entrepreneur. वो खुद में ये नवाब है. So as an entrepreneur, as a sports person, you build that sport or you become a brand in yourself. Like Virat Kohli is a brand in himself. Otherwise, if you're not a brand in yourself, you become the trailblazer of the sport. Like we had Neeraj Chopra who gave us the first Olympic gold medal for India. Or we have Vishwanathan Anand for chess. We have Sania Mirza, a tennis veteran. Neeraj Chopra, athletics. We have a new player here. So today I am going to talk about a sports person. I would like you to take the guesses here. Who is known as the Maharaj of the cricket, the Dada of the cricket, from Royal Bengal. Saurav Ganguly, who is the Dada of the cricket. So, from Saurav Ganguly, as an entrepreneur, I learned two major things. First is the mindset. It's always mind over body. This goes back to 2001, the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Now it's always mind over body. You break the mind of the opponent and then you win. And then you break the opponent. So this is how Australians used to play. They would sledge the opponent, they would become aggressive on the field. And to this, Saurav Ganguly used to say, 70% of the game is strategized and played in the mind before it goes on the field. So this time, in 2001, in 1969 by the way, Australia had already won 15 consecutive tests against India in their home ground. So Steve Waugh, who is still considered as the best captain Australia has ever had till date, at that time he said, upcoming 3 tests are going to be number 16, 17 and 18. Australia being Australia, they sledged and they just randomly commented and declared in India. Now Saurav Ganguly, as the new captain that India had, a young captain, अगर India normally होता, he would have just Indians would have just said कि normal comment है and then, but Saurav Ganguly said, enjoy the rest and forget about 16, 17, 18. Now Australians knew what they had coming against them. So Saurav Ganguly, under his captaincy, with all the young team, a mix of young and seniors, won the Border Gavaskar Trophy in 2001. To which Saurav Ganguly said, you put me in a position and I will find a way. I don't see responsibilities in life put on you as a burden, I will see it as an opportunity. Not everyone gets to play 250 games for India. So Saurav Ganguly became that one man under whose captaincy India saw a different dimension to the cricket game. And the second which I personally learned from him was not just him, it is also his team. Your vibe attracts your tribe. The team you choose is so much important than yourself. So when choosing the team, Saurav Ganguly said, my team has to be a reflection of my mindset. I let them express and I let them be a part of the team. It was not Ganguly's team, it was their team. They will have to stand and deliver. Now one important question comes here is, when choosing a team, what will you choose? Skill or will?
Will.
Correct. We have great entrepreneurs here. So that's what Saurav Ganguly did. This is the Australian team who already had experienced players, veterans against them, who had already played more than 50 matches, each of them. But Saurav Ganguly, what did he do was he chose a team with a mix of senior and junior players. Now they had Harbhajan Singh, who had played only 10 matches so far. They had Hemang Badani, who was debuting for the first time. So he made a mix of that, and Saurav Ganguly said, "Okay, I will make sure that one senior stays with the one junior." So under his captaincy and with these team players, India won, and they had the most amazing players. Under his captaincy, we had Harbhajan Singh, who made his first hat-trick, and he was the first Indian player to make a hat-trick in a test series. And we also had a 0-1 defeat to which India won, and thanks to brilliant performances from VVS Lakshman and Harbhajan Singh. The 2000 series in India was a watershed moment for Indian cricket as it marked a turning point in Indian cricket history. So yeah, two major learnings is your mindset and your team that builds you as an entrepreneur. Thank you so much.